All right, Stan, let's get started on your chocolate almond brickle. So I'm gonna move this pot, Stan, and we can move your brickle pot up, and you tell me what to do.
What we want to do first, we want to add 2 sticks of butter. That right there.
See, I knew I loved Stan.
Put her on medium heat.
Okay.
We want to get that melted. We need 1.5 cups brown sugar. And we want to cook this to about 280 degrees, but we want to stir it the entire time, but not over stir it.
Okay.
Because if you over stir it, it'll give it too much air in it, and we don't want that either. We want it to be firm, but not brittly.
And there's a difference between brickle and brittle, isn't it?
Yes, and I really believe it's the temperature. Brittle is cooked at 300 to 310. Brickle is around 280.
Okay. Stan.
There's nothing more important than a thermometer.
Candy making, baking, it's all a formula.
I don't really think you can take a chance on that in candy making bacon. It will, a degree will really make a huge difference.
Yeah.
Now, while I'm doing this, Paula,
You want me to start?
Let me get these almonds on the tray.
Okay.
If I drop these on the floor, that's going to be bad.
Well, we'll just pick our nuts up off the floor and keep getting it.
It wouldn't be the first time. I have dropped this on the floor before. You see that, how that looks almost like the praline?
It sure does.
What's that thermometer now?
I don't know. I'm going to have to turn it around here to me. All right, it's almost up to 270. I would say it's at 266.
You sure of that?
I'm
All right
positive.
now.
So you ready to
coming
take
off,
it out?
yeah.
Okay.
Because if it gets over that, it will get too hard for you.
Okay. So you're just gonna pour that.
For the nuts, okay?
Oh my gosh, that looks so
Now
good.
we'll spread it evenly.
Okay.
And let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then we can add our chocolate, our morsels.
Okay.
And we're using milk chocolate today.
You want me to just sprinkle this on evenly?
Yeah.
This has got to melt, so we got to put it
and
on
it's a
there.
chocolate show. We'll make sure you're not short on that.
Yeah.
And you can change this. You could do 1.5 cups, 1.25 cups.
Yeah.
I might even like 2 cups but you know, you can go with what you like. You can make the thickness.
I got about 2 cups here, Stan.
Well, I don't think that hurts.
Rules and recipes are made to be broken.
Well, they're made to fit your taste buds.
Yes.
If you like a little more chocolate, what's that gonna hurt?
Look, I'm just gonna kind of bang that in there.
But we still got to get the thickness like we want it. The taste is not gonna change, but we want it to look pretty too, Paul.
Oh, okay.
Look at this. See there?
And we put those chocolate chips on it, y'all, while that brickle was still hot.
That's
so it's
correct.
melting. Oh my gosh, it looks delicious.
All right, we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. I better do that.
Okay.
Now, we just made Stan's chocolate almond brickle.
Look at this. Today, Stan and I are saying there's always room for chocolate.
Yeah, and this is gonna be fine too. See that texture I was talking about?
I see it. I see it.
Want a piece?
Look at that.
Can we?
Yeah. Heck yeah.
I think we got the right amount of chocolate, for sure. Brown sugar and butter. I don't see that could be anything but good.
Oh my God, Stan. This might be the best stuff I've ever tasted that you've made.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.